right. Hi there, Mr. Dell here. So we are looking at CC2. This is section 3.3.1 and number 3-95. Okay, so we have a scenario. It says 1/3 of a rectangular playground is designed for young children. In that part of the playground, a play structure covers 2/5 of the children's space. Okay. A, use a diagram to represent the portion of the playground that is the play structure. So I'm going to draw it. So on A, it wants us to use a diagram. So I'm going to draw this rectangular playground, right? So there's my playground. That's the whole playground. Now, it says that 1/3 of it is for young children. So if I cut this into thirds, right? So the whole thing is the playground. Now 1/3 of this, so we'll say this first third, we'll designate that 1/3. This part is the designated for young children. Okay. Now, and then it goes on and says, in this part, so in that part of the playground, a play structure covers 2/5 of, oops, let me try that again, sorry, 2/5 of the children's space, right? So you have, in this part here, 2/5 of it is a play structure. So let's see if I can, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So I'll cut this into fifths, right? So I have now 1/3 is the for young children, and that's that whole big space. And then we've got this into fifths, and it says that 2/5 of it is the play structure. So it doesn't matter which 2/5. I'll just use this top one here. So I'll designate these 2/5. So that part is the play structure. Okay, so there's my drawing that represents the play structure based on the information they give us. All right, now for part B, it says to represent the problem with multiplication. So what do I have here? I have 2/5 of 1/3, right? So this space is considered 2/5 of 1/3 because it's 1/3 of the playground. So really, as a multiplication problem, this is 2/5 times 1/3, which is equal to 2/15. So we have 2/15 is what that shaded area represents. And let's make sure that makes sense to you. So if I were to take each of these and continue on my lines here and cut each, so now each of these thirds are cut into fifths. How many or what pieces do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15ths. And how many 15ths are shaded? Oh, 2/15. So that's my answer, right? So there's 2/15 is what this is, that play structure represents. And that actually, I realize I'm looking ahead here. C, what fraction of the total playground is the play structure? So 2/15. So C, 2/15 of the playground. And then I'd say is the play structure. Okay, so 2/15 is of the playground is the play structure. All right, hope that made sense.